Britain, a land known for its temperate climate, is no stranger to the changing seasons. Yet, recent years have brought about a disturbing trend. Extreme weather events, once rare occurrences, are becoming increasingly frequent. From unprecedented heat waves scorching the land to torrential downpours causing widespread flooding, the evidence is clear. Our climate is changing. These changes are not merely abstract concepts confined to scientific reports, they are tangible realities impacting the lives of everyday Britons. The summer of 2022 saw the UK record its highest ever temperature, a staggering 40.3 degrees Celsius. This intense heat wave, coupled with prolonged droughts, led to wildfires that ravaged parts of the country. Conversely, the winter months have witnessed devastating floods, displacing families and causing billions of pounds worth of damage. These extreme weather events are a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change. However, the consequences of a warming planet extend far beyond these visible disasters. Lurking beneath the surface is a silent threat, one that could have profound implications for public health. The rise of infectious diseases. Scientists at the University of Surrey have been investigating a potential link between rising temperatures and the incidence of infectious diseases, particularly those causing diarrhea. Their research has uncovered a worrying trend. Warmer weather conditions are associated with a higher number of Salmonella cases in Britain. Salmonella is a bacteria that can cause food poisoning, leading to unpleasant and potentially dangerous symptoms. This discovery raises serious concerns about the impact of climate change on public health. As temperatures continue to climb, we could witness a surge in cases of Salmonella and other diarrheal diseases. This research highlights the interconnectedness of our environment and our health. Changes in climate can have far-reaching consequences, impacting not only our physical world but also our susceptibility to disease. Understanding these links is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the health risks posed by a warming planet. Salmonella infection, commonly known as salmonellosis, is a foodborne illness that affects millions of people worldwide each year. It is caused by a group of bacteria called Salmonella, which are commonly found in the intestines of animals and humans. While most people recover from salmonellosis within a few days without any specific treatment, some cases can be severe, especially in young children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. The symptoms of salmonellosis typically appear within 12 to 72 hours after consuming contaminated food or water. These symptoms can include diarrhea, fever, abdominal cramps, nausea, vomiting, and headache. In most cases, the illness resolves on its own, and treatment primarily focuses on managing the symptoms, such as staying hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Salmonella bacteria are typically spread through contaminated food products, particularly raw or undercooked meat, poultry, eggs, and unpasteurized milk. They can also contaminate fruits, vegetables, and other foods that come into contact with contaminated surfaces or water. The University of Surrey study, published in the journal Environment International, provides compelling evidence of the link between warmer temperatures and increased Salmonella cases. The researchers analyzed over 1.3 million laboratory-confirmed cases of salmonellosis in England and Wales between 1993 and 2014, alongside detailed meteorological data. Their findings revealed a clear association between warmer-than-average temperatures and a higher incidence of salmonellosis. Specifically, they found that for every 1 degree Celsius rise in weekly mean temperature above 15 degrees Celsius, the number of Salmonella cases increased by 5%. This suggests that as temperatures continue to rise due to climate change, we are likely to see a corresponding increase in the number of people falling ill with salmonellosis. This rise in temperature can create more favorable conditions for the bacteria to multiply in food and the environment, increasing the risk of contamination and subsequent infections. The researchers believe that this effect is likely due to the bacteria's ability to thrive and multiply more rapidly in warmer temperatures. Section 5. The perfect storm for bacteria. The study's findings highlight the complex interplay of environmental factors that can contribute to the spread of infectious diseases like salmonellosis. While warmer temperatures provide a more hospitable environment for bacterial growth, the researchers identified other key weather factors that play a role. Relative humidity, a measure of the amount of moisture in the air, was found to be another significant factor. High humidity levels, often associated with warmer temperatures, can create ideal conditions for bacterial survival and proliferation. The study also found a link between longer day lengths and increased Salmonella cases, suggesting that extended periods of sunlight might also contribute to bacterial growth. These findings underscore the multifaceted nature of climate change's impact on public health. It is not just about rising temperatures, but also about the complex interplay of various environmental factors that can influence the spread of infectious diseases. Section 6. A global concern. The link between warmer weather and increased cases of diarrheal diseases is not unique to Britain. Similar patterns have been observed in other parts of the world, confirming the global reach of this threat. A study conducted in the Netherlands, for instance, found a strong correlation between higher temperatures and an increased incidence of Campylobacter infections, another leading cause of food poisoning. These findings reinforce the global nature of this threat and highlight the need for a coordinated international response. As climate change continues to drive temperatures upward, we can expect to see a surge in diarrheal diseases worldwide, particularly in regions with limited access to clean water and sanitation. This global trend underscores the urgent need for international collaboration to address the health impacts of climate change. Sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices will be crucial for building resilience and protecting public health in a warming world. Section 7. Beyond diarrhea, the wider health impacts. While the link between climate change and diarrheal diseases is a significant concern, it represents just one facet of the broader health implications of a warming planet. The World Health Organization has warned that climate change is the single biggest health threat facing humanity, with far-reaching consequences for our physical and mental well-being. Extreme heat events, becoming increasingly frequent and severe, can lead to heat stroke, dehydration, and cardiovascular problems, particularly among vulnerable populations like the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions. Changes in weather patterns can also exacerbate air pollution, leading to respiratory problems, allergies, and other health issues. Furthermore, the displacement of communities due to rising sea levels, floods, and other climate-related disasters can have profound mental health implications, leading to anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. The disruption of livelihoods and food security can also contribute to malnutrition and other health problems. Section 8. Preparing for a warmer future. The evidence is clear. Climate change poses a significant threat to public health, both in Britain and globally. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses both mitigation and adaptation strategies. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the root cause of climate change, is paramount. However, we must also adapt to the changes that are already underway. This includes strengthening our public health infrastructure to better prepare for and respond to climate-related health threats. Early warning systems for heat waves, improved disease surveillance and monitoring, and increased access to clean water and sanitation are just a few examples of essential adaptation measures. Investing in research to better understand the links between climate change and health is also crucial. This will help us develop more effective interventions and targeted public health campaigns to raise awareness and promote preventative measures. Section 9. A call to action. The threat to public health posed by climate change is real and growing. As we have seen, even seemingly small changes in temperature can have a significant impact on the spread of infectious diseases, potentially leading to a surge in cases and overwhelming our healthcare systems. This is not a challenge we can afford to ignore. We must act now to mitigate the impacts of climate change, both for the sake of our planet and for the health and well-being of current and future generations. By working together, we can create a healthier, more sustainable future for all. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. Let us rise to the challenge and protect the health of our planet and its